This is Helpscreen and this is how to appeal a TikTok ban. So this is a step-by-step guide, so follow along. So guys, I want to tell you that first thing you need to do is to make sure you are running the latest version of your TikTok in the Google Play Store. And guys, after that, when you go to the browser, just open up any browser. And now let's just go to Google, and then from here search for TikTok legal report. And then from here, tap on report a problem. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have here an option through the topic. And from here, you will have various of option. And when you tap on account ban slash suspension, you will see here update your app to the latest version. And then after that, tap on the profile at the bottom. And from there, tap on the question mark icon at the top of the login page, and then from there select suspended account and check if your account has been suspended. And now guys, if that doesn't work, all you have to do is just change the topic, and then from here just tap on general account inquiry, and then from here just select a category, and as you can see, just tap on banned account and provide your email address as well. Guys, email address is very important because this is where they will send you the solutions in order for you to get unbanned on TikTok. And then after that, just add your username and the additional details about your problem. And you can also send a screenshot. And from there, guys, just check these boxes. And from there, just hit submit and there go. That's how to appeal a TikTok ban. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!